Here we go. We're late night. We're creeping around that midnight time. Yeah, we're creeping. 157. 11:41 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. We gotta get Gage something, right? Gage got that damage card. We gotta get Gage a little something different. So we're just working through our 9-boxer. What's that second part of our mini case? Or second part of our master case, I apologize. So we're still waiting for one of the little case hits to come out. So hopefully we didn't use them all in the last 9-boxer, so. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. We got something weird in here. Here's Dwayne Bowe, 74 out of 99. Antonio Brown, 1 out of 320. Wes Welker. CJ. Whew. Man, the thing's nasty. All right, there's Jared Allen. Let's see. And this guy's just going buck wild tonight. Look at Zach Ertz. 4-color, just 8 out of 10. Nasty, about 155 point, maybe 160 point monster. Here you go, brother. Dude, Tony, the Love Shack 502. Make it happen. And I feel like this team's been a little underdog all night. And of course, once Matty G leaves, he starts getting them hits. Le'Veon, 18 out of 99, starting to turn up the heat. Matty G, hitting the sack too. Matty G's like, dude, listen, I'm out. And then he starts getting them hits. So nice little 2 back-to-back hits there. That little Ertz was nice, man. Josh Freeman, 53, 170. Matt Forte, 194 out of 320. Peyton Manning. I saw him on the Pro-Am like golf channel today. Peyton Manning just swinging around. Come on. Frank Gore. Cam Schnooten. Give me some focus. Here we go. Then you got Gavin, the gangster, Escobar. You see inside there? Why they always got to make it weird like that? Come on. 13 out of 36. But you know what's crazy is that I think it was Mike D that sent in one of these cards. It was a Von Miller, and it came back a 9-5. I'm like, so you're saying there's a chance? All right, so that's going to Dallas. Tony Shack just killing it. And then Ryan Nassib, 81 out of 99, going to the Giants. Big Raj, all we had to do, brother, is get you in or around the board. So not too shabby with that Le'Veon and the that Zach Ertz. All right. You know what? I think what we need